It's been a minute since I did a video update, so I thought I would do one today. There's Bella the Maligator. It's a beautiful day. The sun is shining. Winter is coming, so we've had some cold weather at night, although it's beautiful today. It's nice and brisk. This outside thermometer, which is in the sun, is reading about 70 or so degrees Fahrenheit. As you can see, the vents could use some work, but as they say, they're good enough for government work right now in keeping the greenhouse warm. It's beautiful in here. The sun is shining. These are my wife's plants that she brought in for the winter. As you can see, the banana trees are doing well. This is our mint bed, which is part of a biofilter. These are the tomato plants, which are only about a foot tall a week ago, and now they're starting to flower. Yeah, it's hard to focus in on that. But yeah, they're almost reaching the roof of the greenhouse. I threw some microgreens in here just to grow a few microgreens. And you can see they've already sprouted. This is the mushroom bed over here, which is fully colonized. This will be producing wine cap mushrooms. Wine cap mushrooms are very easy to grow. You don't have to sterilize the substrate. And they're very, very tasty. Now this is a mulberry bush that I'm probably going to pull out and maybe do some more mushrooms in this grow bed. And here's a couple more grow beds that aren't being utilized. It looks like some grass started growing in here. And this grow bed over here is not being used. Here are the little fish, which I will be feeding some dog food to. The fish that I have right now are goldfish and catfish. The catfish are hard to see because they like to hide, but there's probably about 20 or 30 of them in there, and maybe an equal amount of goldfish. During the winter time, the fish slow down in their feeding because the water temperature gets colder. But as you can see, the water clarity is good. The geyser pumps are all working, and all systems are operating. Please like, subscribe, and view these videos. Right now, YouTube is serving ads on this channel, which I do not make any money from. If I can get more subscriptions and more views, I could actually monetize this channel with the goal of giving the money away to charities for sustainability, related to sustainability. You guys have a wonderful day, and I'll try to do an update soon.